So if you want, you can hide that thing. So I already know how to do it.
Yeah. It's that's okay, but fine. So let us see what is the way white to play and win.
So d7.
Yeah, d7.
So then the rook will come up because then he wants to stop the promoting.
Yeah.
So then, but then the knight is also on that place where you can move. So knight to c8 and rook takes and promotes easy.
Rook takes, then it is promote easily. So black does not take this. So far so correct. I think everybody just follow this. d7 threatening to queen the pawn. Rook goes back to defend the pawn. White knight goes back and blocks the thing. Now obviously black rook cannot take the knight because the pawn will take and promote. So black rook goes to takes the b5 pawn.
Yes, sir. So it's draw or black wins.
No, white has to win. White has to win.
Now
Sir,
there is
why
knight
didn't-
d5.
Sir, why didn't name
Sorry,
this
knight d6.
game Indian Night?
No, we'll understand because of the way that the knight moves. Suhas, what were you saying?
There's knight d6 and trying to promote.
Yeah.
No, d6, not b6.
So knight to d6. See, knight to d6, then rook to d5 check, and followed by rook takes knight, and then
Oh, right. Oh, right.
So knight d6. Knight d6.
knight b6 is correct, not allowing the rook to go back. Okay.
So we can
And-
just promote, right?
No, rook cannot come here also because the knight will take here. So and now you are threatening to queen, and then rook cannot come here because the knight will take it, right? So then knight b6, right? So what do you do after that?
What, instead of playing knight b6, why can't you just promote the pawn?
When? If
No.
you promote the pawn, then there is a simple check here. You will have to take it, and I take it, and this is a draw.
Oh,
On the other part, like when the knight was already forward. Yeah, can we put rook to b1 check?
Rook to b1 check, you can do it. King to c2.
It still doesn't avoid the promoting.
So you cannot still come here. You cannot come here still. Rook to d1 is not possible.
So then might as well just take the knight and.
No, then it's a loss, right? I mean, this is
Even without a knight, even with the knight, it will still be a loss.
Yeah. So the trick is rook to b4. So that now if you queen, then I will put the rook to e4. Sorry, rook to d4 and fork it, and then force the exchange of the queens. And then rook and gone for queen. Then knight against a pawn, it's a draw, right?
knight
Sir?
d5.
Sir, if white plays and
Yeah.
knight d5.
Now knight to d5 is the right move. Okay. So now if pawn takes it, then pawn acts as a umbrella for the thing, and you queen it, and then there is no fork because the black pawn acts as an umbrella. And if you do not take it, then anyway it's a fork. So what do? You can't think, because knight to d5, it's a fork to the king and the rook. So you don't have any option. So you have to take it. You have to take it, and now you queen it. Right? So what we saw is how many times the knight blocked. You just check. See, first time rook went here, knight blocked it. Second time rook, no, rook did not come here. But if what was that? Rook to b5. Again, knight blocked the rook second time. Right? Then rook went here, and knight blocked him a third time. So 3 times, every time the knight is blocking and not allowing the rook to function properly, and beautiful, in a beautiful way. So this is what is the study is called as the Indian knight. Okay.
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
It's not like it. I thought queen against king and queen against king and rook is a draw.
It's not a draw all the time. It's a draw if the the king and rook are very close to each other, and then they can defend well. Otherwise, it's practically, if you try to play, right, most of the time you will lose the rook and you will get the thing. I mean, it is extremely, very carefully if you play, sometimes you get a draw. Not all the time, but yeah, fairly sometimes you get it, but you have to play like a computer. If you play little bit mistake, then the queen will overpower with the check. Earlier it was considered as a win only, but now with more endgame knowledge and all, it is considered as sometimes a draw. Okay. Fine. So I think with that, we conclude our class for this week. Next week, we will continue and we will see some more examples from this one, right? But Indian Knight, we have seen it. Page 2, we'll see it. There is Reti's Walk, Lost in the Desert, Escape to Alcatraz, and a stalemate trick. So, so there are interesting things to study next week. But please spend all your time studying about the Lucena position and building the bridge, because this is so important position. Everything else of rook endgames is based on this position. Okay. All right. So with that, I'm stopping the recording.